Hello and welcome to our new video. Today we will talk about round 1 of seat allotment in NEET PG 2023. If you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel and like the video. We will update you as soon as possible about all new update of NEET PG All India Counseling. So subscribe our channel. Let's start the video. To download the list of round 1 allotment, we have to go in Google and search mcc.nic.in. When you search this, the first site come in the screen is for your official site for NEET PG counseling. You have to go in this PG medical section. You can see here PG medical section where I click. If you go down, there is a list of new updates. From this, you have to select final result round 1 PG 2023. It is the first line in current events. You have to click this for download this allotment list. See, I started the download. During downloading, we have a small break. During this, you can subscribe our channel. Then let's see the PDF. PDF information. In PDF information, it is given round 1 seat allotment for NEET PG 2023. If we go below, we can see here the list was given in the rank, allotted quota, allotted institute, course, allotted category, candidate category and remarks. This thing is given in PDF. According to your rank, you can search your rank and get information about allotted institute, course, etc. Then you have to do further process given according to site. Then we will inform you all the update about NEET PG counseling. Subscribe for latest update. Thank you so much for watching.